You mind? I want to check my email.
Yo, what's up? How you doing? Thanks for ringing a bell. At this moment, we're all busy getting busy, so do tell your story, sing a song, or rap us a rhyme. Then leave your name and number when the beat beats chime. Now don't just say it's me, I'll call you back. This is your big chance to lay down a great track. You know the routine, now do what you gotta do. And as soon as we can, we'll get right back at you.